there is no one that will save him.
Leave him alone, madam. Leave him. Leave him. Leave him alone, ma. Please leave him. Leave him alone.
Please don't try to stop
Leave
him.
him. Leave him alone. Madam, leave him alone.
Nobody
Leave him
save
alone.
him
Leave
from
him.
me.
Leave him.
I am from the Marine Kingdom, and no one lied to me.
Oh, I can
no
see.
One...
Madam, leave him alone. Desmond. Hello guys, it's your girl Precious Sabina for you on all platforms, and I'm here live at the girls' place. We are here, and I have my water here. So I'll quickly hide it.
Come outside.
So guys, we are going to be here with her. So wait for her, let her come out. I just pray everything goes well and we are able to convince her and take her to meet Wine Mary. That is just the plan right now. So I'm going to be acting as his PA. So I believe she's coming. I can hear some footsteps. So guys, I just pray she's here.
Hi, sugar. I've missed you. How are you? Very well. What brings you to my house? Your PA. Hi. PA, you never introduced her to me.
Oh well, this is my PA.
Okay, hi.
Hi.
My name is Chomi. I'm his
Linda.
PA.
Okay.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you.
thank you.
Please, can we go
Babe,
inside?
that's why I told you. That's why I brought my PA.
No,
Calm
let's
down.
just go inside.
That was why.
It will not take a while.
That was
Just
why
inside.
I
There's
brought.
nothing there.
Madam, we booked a
That was why,
reservation for you
yeah.
and my boss. So why are you telling him to go
No.
inside?
My house is just free. There's nothing there. We just, how we used to do it. Please. Why are you behaving like? Is it because of your PA?
It's not because of. I told you already that I booked some reservation for
But
you.
you've always visit me. You've always do things. So why not?
But
Let's go.
today
I missed you.
come on. I
Let's
don't
go
do that.
inside.
What's this? What's the meaning of this?
Why shouting?
I told you that I booked a reservation for you.
And I said, let you
And
see
I'm
your
sure
house.
it's because of you my children got dead. What's the meaning of that?
I don't understand.
What is the meaning of that?
Sir,
No, wait. You think I don't know? You think I don't know who you are? You think I don't know who you are? I will. Yes, and I will kill you if I. Don't beg me. No,
why we are here.
no,
now.
wait.
This is not why we are
No.
here.
What's the problem? You are choking me.
Yes, that's what I want to do. That's what I want to do.
I'll leave her
You killed my
alone.
two children. You almost destroyed my marriage.
Alone, sir,
You almost destroyed my marriage.
Leave her alone. What are you saying?
This girl. Do you know what she has done? My two children is dead by now.
God, I don't know what you are talking about.
You
What
don't
happened to
know
your
what-
children? I don't know what you are talking about. How is that what you want
Sir,
to kill
why are
me?
you choking her? I'm so sorry about this, sister. I'm so sorry. Sorry for my boss' reaction. I don't know why he's acting like this. Can we just go to the reservation? Let's go.
No, I'm not going anywhere with him.
Why won't you go?
Why will I go
Why
with
are
you?
you booked
You're
this
planning
thing?
to kill me. I can't go with you.
How do you know I'm
No,
planning to kill you?
He's not planning to kill you.
Just
Nobody's
look at the way
planning
he's choking me. If you had not come to my rescue, that's how he will kill me. I can't go anywhere with him.
No, nobody's doing that. Nobody's doing that.
You can't go with me.
I can't go with you.
But
And that is it.
we've had our time together.
Yes, that's why I want you to come
And I
in.
booked. That was why I brought her here, and I booked a
No.
nice reservation for the
No.
both of us.
I'm not going. I'm not going.
Why are you showing me this part of you now? Why are you doing this
I
now?
am not going.
Why are you
I'm tired.
Sir, why are you quarreling with the young lady now? The reservation, there is time. Time is going. Let
That's
us
why just talk to her later. Just talk
Madam,
to her.
please.
Just
I'm
talk
sorry
to her.
for
Let
what
us
happened. I don't
go.
know why he's strangling you, but
Please, I'm not in a good mood right now. I can't go
sorry.
anywhere
Please
with
just
you.
fix your mood. We have to go for the reservation.
We need to go.
I've already paid for your food.
We need to
And I said no. Why are you guys dragging me to where? I'm not going.
We need to go. We need to
Do you
go.
have anything in what's going on? Can you please explain what is going on?
Ma, okay, my boss has told me a lot about you, and he just wanted to surprise you, so he asked me
That's
to book
all.
a reservation
That's all.
so I can take you to the
I
place.
just
So
want to
we
give
are
you a
just
nice
here.
treat.
It's just like a surprise.
That's
But I don't
all.
know.
No. I can't go. I'm not comfortable with the way the both of you are
You're not-
trying to drag
What
me
are you
out
saying?
of my house.
What do you say? You
I
say
am
you say you're not comfortable doing what?
Yes.
Then what happens to the money? What happens to the
can't.
money that I paid for the
can't go
reservation?
with you.
What happens to the money?
You can always have your money back.
How do I do that?
I can't leave.
And that was why you killed my 2 children? Is that why you killed my... You want to destroy my marriage? You made my wife go there?
Leave her alone now. Why are you strangling her like that?
I'm not going anywhere with you, please.
Madam, you have to follow us, so you have to follow
Please,
us.
you are here. He's strangling me, and he's talking about me killing his children. I don't know anything about his children.
I'm sorry, but me too, I don't know anything about it.
I know he's hot. That's why I said you should come in.
That's why I want you to join me to the reservation that she has booked for us already.
Yes, I want you to come here so that I can cool you down. I know you are still hot. You know, we can always have children together.
That's not what
Forget about
no,
those ones.
that's why I want you to join me to the reservation.
No, just come in. It won't take long.
Just follow him for the date. It's just a date for the
No, I'm not going. If you can't come into my house, then I'm not going to any reservation with you.
You don't
Madam,
want to go
you follow us, so please.
Please.
We already booked and we have paid money for this thing. We don't want the money to waste. Follow my boss.
What happens to all my money?
No.
What happens to the money?
You guys think I'm an ordinary human being. I can see that something fishy is going on, and I'm not going to go anywhere with you. I am not going. I have to go into my house.
So you're not going
please, don't try to stop me.
Madam, you're not going anywhere. You are not going anywhere. You are following us there.
Yes.
So we have to go.
Yes.
We are not entering into your house.
You have to. Please.
We are following us to where we are going. You say you are not ordinary. That means you have a hand in the death of his child.
Yes, I did it. You deceived me.
Wait, you did what?
Yes.
Wait.
I will kill you.
Wait.
Leave him alone. Leave him alone.
I'm going to kill you.
Madam, leave him alone.
Leave him alone.
Nobody
can stop me from killing him.
Leave him alone.
There is no one that will save him.
Leave him alone, madam. Leave him. Leave him alone, man. Please leave him. Leave him alone.
Please don't try to stop him.
Leave him alone.
Don't try to stop him.
Leave him alone. You cannot take his life. You cannot take his life. Leave him alone. Leave him alone.
I have to take his
Madam, leave him alone. I will do something bad to you. I will do something bad to you. Leave him alone.
I am going to kill him.
Leave him.
There is nobody that can save him from me.
Why? What did he do to you?
Deceived me.
Deceive you for what?
He fooled me.
As
He
in
told
how?
me he was going to marry me.
Don't you know that he's married?
I don't want me to find out that he's married with kids. So I have to kill him. I killed his 2 children.
You are wicked. Leave him
I took the
alone.
life of his children. So I'm going to kill him.
Leave him alone.
I'm going to kill him.
Leave him
There's no
alone.
one that can save him from me.
Leave him alone.
Nobody can save him from me.
Leave him alone, madam.
Nobody
Leave him
can
alone.
save him from me.
Leave him.
I'm going to kill him.
I will drag you. I'll pull you by your hair. Leave him alone. Madam, leave him alone.
Nobody
Leave him
save
alone.
him from me.
Leave him.
I am going
Madam,
to
I will
kill
destroy
him.
you. I will
going
destroy
to kill
you.
him. Stop! Don't try.
Then leave him.
If you pour that water at me, I'm going to kill him. I will finish him up.
I will pour
I'm
you.
going to
Leave him.
finish him up.
Why?
I'm going to finish
Okay,
him
leave him.
up. I'm not going to leave him.
Okay, I've dropped the water. I'm dropping the water. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. Leave him alone, madam. Oh God. Please, I'm begging you. Leave him alone. No. He's not yours. No.
He's mine.
His life does not belong to you. Don't leave him alone, madam.
myself.
Leave him.
I
We
want
can
to-
settle this.
I want to have
We
him
can
all to
settle-
myself.
That
is what I want.
We can settle this,
But he
madam.
left me. He deceived me. That's why I want to kill him.
No,
I
no.
want to take his life.
Would that make you happy? Let's settle this.
I'm going
please.
to
Please,
be
look,
happy.
he's not breathing again. No. Please. He needs air. Please. Please. Leave him.
I want to take his life.
Oh God. Madam,
I want to take
leave
his
him.
life.
Leave him,
I
please.
want to take
Please
his
remove your hand. Leave him alone. Leave him. Mr. Desmond, hold on there. Leave him alone. Why are you holding him so strong like that?
Yes, I have to.
You are very wicked. Leave him alone. Leave him.
He deceived me. And this is what I did. This is what I do to all those men
Leave
that
him alone.
deceive
Leave
me.
him alone.
Do you know what I went through? Do you know the trauma I went through?
Look,
He
you
lied
don't belong here.
He
So
lied
leave
to
him.
me.
It's not
He's
for
mine.
you. It's not for
He
you.
has to go with
Light
me.
and darkness have
He
nothing
has to go
do.
with me.
He's not
I
going
am
anywhere.
from the marine kingdom, and no one lied to me.
Oh, I can
No
see.
one
I will
from
save
me.
him. Leave him. Leave him, madam.
Kill him.
Madam.
No one can save
Leave
him
him.
from me.
Leave him. Mr. Desmond. Leave him.
No one can save him.
Leave him. Madam. Leave him alone. Desmond, stand up. Desmond, stand up.
What's
Stand
happening?
up.
What's happening?
Stand up.
What? What's this?
Look at her.
What's this?
She's the one.
Who?
She's the one. The girl who came to me, she's the one. She's the one. She's the one.
What? You don't mean it?
Yes.
This is her?
Don't touch her. Don't touch her.
This is
She's
her?
the one.
The girl who killed my 2 kids?
Yes, she's the one.
I want to destroy my
Can
marriage.
you see it? Come and see her. She's a real fish. Look at. She's a fish. Let's carry her to mama.
Jesus.
Let's carry her
Jesus.
to mama.
Jesus.
Her plan will not work.
Jesus.
Her plan will not work.
Jesus.
Let's carry her to mama. Her plans will not work.
Jesus.
Guys, can you see?
Jesus.
Can you see?
Jesus.
Look at what you went to sleep with. Look at
It was
what
just
you
a
went
night.
to sleep with.
It was just a night.
Just a night.
It was just
And
a
you
night.
have lost 2 kids.
It was just a night. My 10 years marriage. My 10 years marriage. And my 2 kids. It was just a night.
God. Just thank God though. Just thank God because this girl, can you see the way she was strangling you? Hi. Please guys, like this now. Are you serious? Like this now we are heading to go and meet Mama so that she will tell us what next to do. Since the girl is proving stubborn, I have done the needful thing. Now we are going there. We are going there. You hold it oh. This is your girlfriend. Hold it. Hold it. You cannot, but you can enter. Let us go. See, let me tell you,
Precious,
you don't have
thank
any
you.
power. You don't
Thank
have any
you.
power against me.
Precious, thank you.
Can you imagine?
Thank
All these girls from the marine corps, they don't even stay one place. Guys, let's go.